Welcome to Tractor Talk. My name's James Crouch. I'm the Senior Product Manager of Bobcat Tractors. We're here in the shop today to talk about a few things you should consider when researching your new compact tractor. Something to consider is the size of your machine. There are several categories of size class in the tractor market. The first one to think about is a garden tractor. Garden tractors are normally less than 20 horsepower and their primary purpose is mowing. Another one to consider is subcompact tractors like the one behind me. A subcompact tractor normally goes up to about 25 engine horsepower and are made for more light-duty chores like anything around the house or inside and outside of barns. Next are compact tractors. Compact tractors normally range between 25 and 50 engine horsepower. They're primarily used from small to medium-sized properties and are used for a variety of different tasks, things like moving mulch, light loader work, as well as digging post holes and a variety of other tasks. The largest class we'll talk about today are utility tractors. Utility tractors normally range between 50 to 100 engine horsepower and are used for maintaining livestock on small farms. Now that you have an idea of the different size classes, the next step is to really look at your property and look what you want to accomplish. If you expect to do a lot of mowing with your tractor, make sure you choose one that comes with a mid-PTO or at least has that option, like the one here. Think about the attachments and implements it's going to take to get that job done and fit that to the machine that you're looking to buy. In addition to size, something to consider is your environment. If you're going to be working a lot in very hot conditions or very cold conditions, a cab may be worth the money. It offers year-round comfort with heat and air, and if access is more of a priority for you, if you're going to be getting on and off of the machine a lot, an open station design may be better, and with our tractors you can access the platform from either side. Choosing the right tire is an incredibly important decision to make when purchasing your tractor. There are a variety of options out there that go from a very aggressive tire designed for traction all the way to a tire that's designed for flotation and minimal disturbance. An agriculture tire, commonly known as an R1, is the choice to make when you're going to be off the road doing things like tilling a garden or things where you need a lot of traction in loose soil. The turf tire tread design, commonly known as an R3, is designed for flotation. If the majority of your applications is going to be on a lawn or on a manicured surface, the turf tire is probably the best option because it provides a lot of flotation and is really light on the ground. The industrial tire, or an R4 or general purpose, is the most popular. It provides a nice blend between the agriculture tire and a turf tire. It provides the traction you need while still being light on the ground. So we know there are a lot of things to consider before purchasing your new compact tractor. We've touched on a few of those here today, but if you'd like to find out more information, please watch our other videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tractor videos.